Okay, next thing in the box. Appears to be a head, and I'm thinking it's a panhead. Yeah, it kind of looks like a panhead over here. Appears to be a broken panhead. It's missing a fin right here. There's a 5-fin head that's missing a fin, so it's a 4-fin head. It's actually a 5-fin head. Broken off. Alright, it's got a lot of grit on it, so I don't want to get too much grit next to my new crank sitting there. Okay, so this is going to have 56 numbers on the inside, which it does right here. There's your date code right there. So it's a 60. 3 of 60. That'd be like March. It's still got most of the fins over here, but it's missing 2.5 of them. And some over here too. They got carried away on breaking fins on this one. These are always broken for magneto clearance and distributor clearance. Usually don't break them up here, but they knock out 3 fins over here. It's common to make room for magnetos. This one here, they're just clumsy. Intake spigot is still there, a little rough. A little thin right there too. A little carried away on porting. Definitely been ported. So you can actually see out the other side it's been ported. You always got to cut the inside out to get the flow to go that way. They got a little carried away over here. There's no reason to cut right here. My guess is they're trying to do something over here and it was dragging right here would be my guess. But then they got carried away up in here too. There's no reason for that because you're not grinding down there usually. And maybe they're trying to do something down in here, coming through at an angle like this, like that. That's how this stuff usually happens. Got seats put in it. Looks like a big valve. Looks like a shovelhead size valve. So that's 3/16 bigger in stock. Yeah, pretty good. No cracks. That's amazing. Maybe a hairline. Maybe. If it's in there, you can't see it. That doesn't count. Can't see it, it doesn't count. No cracks through here, which is a big plus. They'd like to crack right through here, especially when you put big ass seats in them. And they crack right down through the whole portal through here and junk the head out. Looks like the threads are still there. A little dirt diver action. Exhaust spigot looks nice. Yeah, it's still, look at it, it's still pretty straight and everything. Yeah, it's amazing. Nice and thick. Oh, that's rare as hell there. Pretty nice head except for the broken fins, but hell, those can be fixed. It's already got big seats in it, so this one looks like it's sunk pretty deep though. I don't know why it's sunk so deep, but go back in there and weld that back in. I don't know why they cut so much out, but probably because they put a big ass cam in it, would be my guess. But it's sunk way deeper than exhaust. Look how deep exhaust is way up here and this is way down low. Well, it looks like they only cut the seat too. So you can pull that seat out and put a new seat in it. And they didn't break the top of the head away. That's a miracle. Yeah, it's not broken out on this side. Looks like they got more metal in these heads than the earlier heads. Those break out real bad on here, but see, they left some of the brass in there. They didn't cut all the brass out, so that's why it's thick like that. So yeah, it needs a new seat in there, and that's probably going to be, might have to come in and do a little welding right here too to make it a nice good fit and come back, make it smooth like this when you're done. Yeah, I don't know why they did that big lip cut like that, but they did. Alright, well there you go. It's a nice looking head. Yeah, they got a little carried away in the holes there. Those are hogged out. These are all 1/4-inch thread and stripped. Wonderful. Every one of them. You'd think you'd save at least one that wasn't screwed up. Oh well. Had to be more wrong with it, right? Yeah, every one of these holes needs to be welded up. While you're in there fixing fins, you can fix the other parts too. Weird place for a mark like that. It almost looks like there's a crack there, but I know it's not. Yeah. Alright. There you go. Nice looking head.